So I'm really excited. I finally got the Star Wars Boost Droid Commander set, and I've been wanting this set for a while for a couple reasons. One, Star Wars, love it. But two, also, it's like as you kind of, as you do Legos, you kind of grow into what you like to do with them. And for me, I really want to add movement, and I love the fact that this boost might allow me to create more movement with other sets and other mocks. So I'm really excited about basically the coding part of this set. But $200 is always kind of expensive, and then Costco had it on sale for $150. So I picked it up at Costco for $150, which is actually $10 cheaper than Lego's Black Friday sale, where it was on sale for $160. So I was really excited to get this at a super discount at Costco. In fact, I found a lot of great sets at Costco. So if you belong to Costco, I highly recommend checking out their Legos, because you can find some really great deals at all time of the year, every time, all year long. But with these larger sets, I kind of like to do a little unboxing video so you can kind of see what's inside, and especially this one, because as we turn it over, this is more than just Legos. You get these motorized mechanical pieces. There's actually like an app to download. In fact, what I understand, there's no instruction manual. I have to download the app to actually start building everything, kind of play a game in order to kind of slowly unlock these different characters. And here you get to see what R2-D2 looks like, and I think there's like a color sensor here. You've got your Gonk droid, and of course your little mouse droid, which I actually recently just did a micro tutorial on, so that's a fun little droid to get. And then if we kind of look at the sides here, now here it says over 40 missions, and you get that in Spanish as well. And then on this side, it talks about, one interchangeable movable hub, one color distance sensor, one interactive motor, and then they put all that information on the side in about 20 different languages. Well, not 20, 2, 4, 6, 8 different languages, but you get the idea. Lego is loved all over the world, and they need to put lots of different languages for lots of different countries and people. So anyway, without further ado, I figure we kind of open this up and see what's inside this 1,177 piece boost set. And Star Wars has always been a childhood memory of mine, and I found it interesting that I had this Swiss Army knife, which I've used, and I realized I've had this thing since I was a kid. So this knife has definitely served me well over the years. So let's find those seams, because I'm kind of I really like to take care of my boxes and make sure I kind of fold them neatly so I can get those tapes neatly taken care of. I'm going to open this and then slowly dump out. So we'll see what we get. Oh, so I'm assuming this is one of the mechanical devices. We've got a lot of bags here. All right, now let's check out what we have. So I already showed you this, which I'm assuming is the mechanical box. In fact, let's use my knife and open it and figure out, see if I am correct. Open it. And these boxes I usually just recycle. I don't hold on to them, but yep, there's the boost box. And it looks like it does come with a very, very tiny instruction manual here in its own little bag. It's a lot of plastic for an instruction manual. Actually, this kind of reminds me of the Dimension sets, where you basically get this 3-page advertisement, and they're like, all right, log on to the game. So we'll see what that's like. In fact, you know what? I'm here. Let's do it now. Let's see what this instruction manual looks like now. I wasn't going to do this till later. Let's see. We've got the quick boost start guide. Looks like I will have to put 6 AAA batteries in. Whew. I think I got the rechargeable kind. It talks about the app here, kind of just pictures, so no reading involved. Oh, look, an advertisement. Lots of fine print in many different languages. Wow, a lot of fine. 6 batteries. Hey, look at me, I can translate. Haha, don't throw it away because it's mechanical. But yeah, that's all you get inside. Oh, hold down for 10 seconds. And that is the instruction manual. All right, so now inside, I'm not gonna open these bags up because I wanna kind of figure out how it's organized. Let's see, we've got our number 2 bag. Looks like it's gonna be R2-D2 pieces with all that blue and red. Our number 12 bag, because of those teal pieces, I'm thinking it's probably into the Gonk droid. So 12, 9, 8. Let's see, and then you got a little separate face tile here. That's really cool. That's gonna be a good piece. And then 10, it looks like the mouse droid with all those black pieces. Oh, here's one of the sensors. I forget what this one is. You can see a little sensor in the bag. Number 1, with these wheels, it could be anything. I'm going to say probably R2-D2 though, because of the white. Let's see, that's number 6. You just have a little dot there to let you know it's at the bottom. So 6 is R2-D2 with all that blue and white. 4 is definitely going to be R2-D2. Of course, I didn't show you the 4, did I? 3, a lot of R2-D2 bags here, which makes sense. I think he's probably the most popular droid. 11 is a mouse droid with all those black pieces. Here's another one of the sensors that we'll be using for our boost set. And they only give you one motor because, and 3 droids. You have to move out that motor as you build your different droids. And then number 7, oh, it's going to be the Gonk Gonk droid with steel pieces. And number 5 also looks like R2-D2. So anyway, there's my unboxing. They're kind of fun because I'm kind of a control freak, and I usually edit like things 1,000 times. But these unboxings, I just get one chance to do it, and that's it because it's been open. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed kind of looking at our Star Wars Droid Commander boost set and seeing what's inside. And I'm really looking forward to kind of playing around with it.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.